He's our emotional support steer. We got him last year for my other steer that was here alone, and there, since they're herd animals, he needed friends. So we got this little guy here. Bring him in, we'll halter break him as they are now, so he's able to be tied up to a fence and just be led around and all that. That's what they were doing outside. They were leading him around because they're new here, and so then we'll have him for a few months, and then we'll take him to different jackpots, which are small shows, just to get experience. He's very smart. I have him, when I come to feed him in the morning and night, I'll have him just like run around, and if I call him, he usually comes back when I call him. So he's like kind of like a dog. He's my summer animal, and he's gonna be going to state fair. To prep him for shows, you gotta exercise him, feed him the right diet. So in show day, you clean him up, like get him all ready, make him like, so him, since he's white, you gotta make him look as white as possible. And then you can give him certain things like a drench and stuff like that, and that'll help him like look his best. And then you just show them like that. Before this, I really didn't know anything about the production industry and where our food. I knew where our food came from. I just didn't know like how in depth it can go. But I don't know. By getting into this, it's really opened my eyes to a lot of things. I really enjoyed it, honestly.